Mixing up the tofu treat delight. Sweet mini tarts with a touch of green. Oh, it's the tastiest thing you've seen. Mini matcha tofu cheesecake, bite-sized dreams for you to take. Sweet and creamy, feel the flavor quake. Mini matcha tofu cheesecake. Whisk it till the blend is right. Silky smooth for your epic bite. Crispy crust that makes you melt. Midnight snack like no one else. Mini matcha tofu cheesecake, bite-sized dreams for you to take. Sweet and creamy, feel the flavor quake. Mini matcha tofu cheesecake. Green love in a tiny tart shell.